What is up, everybody? This is again MCRA Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MZ, and in today's video I will show you and teach you how to write in MLA style in the Google Docs. So now when you are already in the Google Docs, you need to choose like if you write it's Arial, as you can see, so you need Times New Roman, which is right here, okay, and then 12. So this is the MLA format. Now you're gonna also write here your name and surname, so Showtime with MZ in my case. Then you're gonna need you need here double spacing. So how you do it? You're gonna go here and top double. Okay, and now when you make a space, it's double spaced. Then you're gonna write your professor's name. I'll just simply write professor. Let's give him name such as I don't know, Stein or something like that. Let's try. Okay, Professor Stein. Yeah. And then you're gonna write your class name. So, for example, English and it's B or something like that. And then the date when the document was created. So the second, or the day when it has to be finished and turned in. So 2nd March 2020. Now then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna just simply give this thing a title. So title for this thing is how to write in MLA style. Yes. Okay, and then you're gonna make a tab, and now we're basically mostly all, but we need to tap insert, then page numbers, then this one right here, and then you're gonna write their surname. Well, as YouTube says, my surname is Time with MZ, so I'm gonna write that right here. Because like I'm Showtime with MZ and YouTube recognizes Show as my name and Time with MZ as my surname, so you're gonna just simply write here your surname. So Showtime with MZ. Time with MC, Showtime with MC, Professor Stein, English B, 2nd March 2020. So this is how you write in MLA style, and this type of writing may help you now as well as many times in the future save your life. Well, I don't think that's real or not, but anyways guys, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more, like, comment, bye.